Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Pizza Tower on iOS. First, understand that Pizza Tower is not natively available on Apple's mobile platform. To enjoy this fast-paced platformer on your iPhone or iPad, you'll need to explore some clever workarounds. We'll cover two primary methods: utilizing cloud gaming services and setting up remote play from your personal computer. Both options allow you to stream the game directly to your mobile device, bringing the action to your fingertips. One excellent way to play Pizza Tower on your iOS device is through cloud gaming services. Platforms such as GeForce now allow you to stream games you already own on Steam directly to your iPhone or iPad. The game runs on powerful remote servers, and the video feed is sent to your device, while your inputs are sent back. You'll need a stable internet connection, ideally 50 megabits per second or more, and a subscription to the service. Another fantastic option is to use remote play, specifically with the Steam Link app. This method lets you stream Pizza Tower from your own computer to your iOS device. You'll need to have the game running on your PC, and both your computer and your iPhone or iPad should be connected to the same strong Wi-Fi network. The Steam Link app is free and provides a seamless way to extend your PC gaming experience to your mobile screen. To truly enjoy Pizza Tower on iOS, a few considerations are key. First, a very stable and fast internet connection, preferably over Wi-Fi, will minimize lag and ensure smooth gameplay. Second, while touch controls might work, a compatible Bluetooth controller will offer a much more precise and enjoyable experience, especially for a fast-paced platformer. Finally, remember that streaming can consume significant battery, so keep your device charged or plugged in for extended play sessions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.